Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your own granola bars. Now these are super easy. They're made with, I'm making them with soy nut butter. You can make them with peanut butter of course, but I keep these in my fridge pretty much all fall because they're really easy to grab and go, and instead of eating something super sweet or a bag of chips, I will grab that and I know what I'm putting into my body. They're no bake, which is a bonus for everybody. So if you want to see how to make them, make sure that you continue to watch. Alright, so to make this, you're going to need some, this is old-fashioned rolled oats. You're going to need some coconut oil, peanut butter, soy nut butter. You're going to need vanilla extract, honey. This is cinnamon and nutmeg, some sweetened coconut, and then semi-sweet chocolate chips. You're also going to need something that you can place your bars into. So into my, I don't know what this is called, saucepan I think. I'm going to go ahead and add in my peanut butter or soy nut butter, whatever you're using. And everything will come together in here, which is great because it's not like you're putting it from one thing to another to another. And then you're going to add in your coconut oil. Okay. And to finish that off, some vanilla, about a teaspoon or so. A little more. You're going to put this on low heat, and all you're going to do is you're going to kind of cook this down so that it's one solid liquid, or not liquid but kind of softened down, so that way you can go ahead and stir everything in it together. Okay, my mixture is nicely melted, so I'm going to go ahead and add in a couple tablespoons of honey. I'm just going to mix this in with my spatula, and this literally maybe took 30 seconds or so to get it to this consistency. And you want to make sure it's on low heat. You don't want this to boil, you just want it to melt nicely. Alright, everything is nice in here, so now the fun part begins. We're just going to dump everything in. Oopsies. And then the spices. And all you're going to do is just mix this together. Okay, my mixture is combined, and now all I'm going to do is dump it into here. And what I do is I line it with aluminum foil. You can do parchment paper. It's just easier to take it out and cut it that way. You're just going to press this down as evenly as you can to make little bars. Actually, I'm gonna push this up a little bit, just like so. I don't want them to be super thin, so there we go. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes just to let this set, and then maybe if I'm not feeling too lazy, I'll drizzle on some extra chocolate, but that's totally optional. And then you can keep this in the fridge and just grab it and go. It's delicious, it's easy, it's a lot better than buying the like the granola bars that are filled with sugar, things you don't know what's in there. Although don't get me wrong, I have been known to grab those quite often. So thank you for spending your days with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.